Hi, I'm Brian Brackenberry. We're going to be talking about a connected services, connected vehicle demonstration. And what we're showing is a production infotainment system that Visteon put in production about a year ago. And what we're doing is adding onto it with software enhancements. We're going to show three main features. One is Lifecycle Management. The other is over-the-air update, software or firmware updates. And the third is adding applications to the system, so an application store basically. The first thing we're going to do is Lifecycle Management. We're going to assume this is a Mazda 3. Consumers had the vehicle for about a year, has done lots of customization and personalization to it. As you can see, this person would have added some FM favorites. What we're able to do is actually load this profile up to the cloud, save it, and then bring it into a new vehicle so that the new vehicle is exactly like the old one. Then what we do is we go into Settings, System, then we go into Profile and Cloud Management. Now we've already got this set up for the demonstration with a username and a password. And what we're going to do is save this profile up to the cloud. Now the system has actually saved it to the cloud. It's all with real hardware, real software. We've got a Wi-Fi connection that has taken it to a server that Visteon's hosting. And now that it's up into the cloud, we're actually going to go into the vehicle and then bring it down from the cloud and restore it into this new car. Now that we've uploaded that user profile to the cloud, we're going to reverse the process and bring it down from the cloud. What we're going to do is we're going to go into System Settings, and then we're going to do Restore User Profile. There'll be a couple prompts. One is Restore, we'll say yes. And then we enter our user ID and password, which have been pre-populated for the demo. Now we've brought that profile down from the cloud. It's immediately applied to the system. And now we can confirm that by looking at our favorites. We're going to see that the same presets that were loaded in the other vehicle are now loaded here. This system comes standard with 4 applications. And what we're going to do is add 5 or 6 further applications, and we're also going to add the App Store. That's going to be part of this update. One of the other things we're going to do is an HMI update. We've had some complaints from users that the touch zone's a little too small on the home screen coins. We're going to expand that touch zone so it gets larger. Now we're going to go to the same area. We're going to go to Settings, System. We're going to check for firmware updates. We're going to see from the server that there is an update available. We're going to install that. Now we're bringing down from the cloud this differential file that has these updates, and we're going to apply them, and the system will have to reboot for them to take effect. Now that the system is fully updated, we're going to see that the touch zone now has been increased, so we can touch just outside those coins, and those menus are activated, as we discussed. And then we can also go to the Applications menu, and we can see now that there's a whole list of applications, more than just the 4, the top one being the actual App Store we talked about. And as we scan down, we can see some of the other applications that are included in the system.